I'm gonna make this one very short and sweet on how to calculate your cost of goods in under 2 minutes. Here, you put the total units made. How many units did you order? And here, you put how much you paid for those units. I don't have the invoice to show you, but this is how much I paid for 100 units of my eggboards and skateboards. Next, you add the freight shipping. So this is how much you paid your shipping provider or freight forwarder. To do this, I use Amazon Global Logistics. Amazon Global Logistics eventually, after the shipment is done, will send you something like this. And at the bottom of this, you will find the final rate, which is 420.86. We add 420.86 over here. And then we need to add the import tariffs and duties. This is how much you pay US Customs to import your products. When your products pass customs, you get a document that looks like this. It's a customs entry summary. At the end of this product, you see duty and some other taxes eventually gets to a total of 661 and 10. And then you add this here. At this point, this is your cost of goods. You don't need to add anything else. And just for the sake of clarity, it does not include Amazon selling fees. Those are different costs. They do not go in the cost of goods. It does not include the cost of shipping the products to the final customers once they order, like Amazon FBA fees from Amazon to the final customer, not included, and customer refunds, not included as well. In this case, this spreadsheet calculates the unit cost of goods. So you know how much production cost of one unit, how much shipping cost for one unit, and how much taxes and tariffs you paid for each unit, for a total, in my case, of $30.32 cost of goods. The spreadsheet that I used is free to download, and you can download it from the link in the description.